They tell me you're dynamite. Yes?
Sonny, please now.
That's all right. Dynamite doesn't frighten me. I've been in a lot of explosions. I was wondering why you look so frightfully scarred.
Come on, dear, let's get out of here.
No.
Come on, Sonny, please now.
I suppose you know you broke up my home. I didn't know that you were in a home. When did you get out? Say, listen, you. And you.
I think the girls are going to get together. 2-1 on NASA. I don't know. Sonny's pretty good. There they go. They're off. Oh,
Naza, darling, stop it, dear. Naza, darling, stop it. Stop it, Naza. Get back. Naza, darling, stop it.
What is it, Pete?
Winifred, please take me to Springer to her room. Sonny, stop. Will you? Where's Sonny? Sonny, I'm surprised at you.
And you can see why some old school professionals call this machine the swing machine. We are swinging it from side to side. This machine has been around since 1923. It was invented by William Roberts Jr. and it was actually patented in 1923. But this was huge in the cleaning industry to have a powerful swing machine to scrub and clean floors and carpet. So not too much has changed since then, but the knowledge of the machine and the know-how and how to use it and what situations to use it in and what solutions to use on your carpets or hard floors, that's changed. As far as the carpet cleaning goes, there has been a renaissance in the carpet cleaning industry. These machines weren't used all that often for carpet cleaning other than just the typical janitor type work, the janitorial work where they clean VCT and carpet in a commercial facility. But lately, within the last 20 years, it's becoming more popular to use these in residential settings. The rotaries are very powerful, very high torque machines, great for extracting the water-soluble soil, and great for maneuvering in almost unmaneuverable difficult areas such as polyester carpeting, commercial carpeting, some types of Berber. It's very hard to run orbitals in that type of carpet. This machine can glide and extract over carpet rather easily. Now, I refer to this machine as the RotoSet machine because it does spin at 360 degrees, or you could call it the 360-degree RotoSet extractor. I use both terms, but the machine hasn't changed essentially in 100 years. It's pretty similar to what it was 100 years ago. William Roberts really knocked it out of the park when he came up with the patent for this machine. What's sort of ironic, one of the biggest orbital producers of all time, David Oreck, which he's known for the Oreck vacuum cleaners, he was born one day after the patent for the RotoSet machine, also known as the rotary. I believe the rotary was patented on September 17th, 1923. David Oreck was born September 18th, 1923. And what's interesting about that September era, if you go back September 17th, 18th, 19th, I believe the 17th and the 20th, there's very significant historical factors that at some point I got to make a video about, because that's huge in the cleaning industry. It's just kind of ironic how those dates, that entire week, was very big in the cleaning industry, at least for me anyways. Most people will watch these videos and probably think, what in the world is he making? This is stupid. Yeah, whatever. What we're trying to promote on this channel, not only my services, but we're trying to promote education and educate our clients about the significance of this machine, or the significance of the methodologies we use. It's not a typical methodology. A lot of people don't know about it. So when I come here and try to promote this methodology, I'm doing it because I realize that it's not very well known. And who's going to promote this if I don't do it? If Robin Roberts doesn't do it? If the other set specialists in the country don't do it, who's going to do it, right? Nobody. We're not getting paid to make these videos. I'm not getting paid to be here. I'm shelling out money out of my own pocket to make and produce these videos. I don't get paid to be here, other than the fact that when I reference these videos to my clients or potential clients, that I'm going to be compensated if I land an account or if I land a job. But you could see the swing motion again if you're looking carefully. Very similar to what you saw earlier in the video, where they were using the swing machine at that gala, going side to side. The same type of motion, very similar machine. Just some of the technology with the pads and the chemicals, and what we know now with this machine has changed. You know, I've performed, I don't even know how many thousands of jobs, but tons of jobs. I've got the verified, documented proof to prove my claims, whereas maybe a lot of people, they don't. But when you're a set specialist, we try to document as much the jobs as possible. Now, here's a water-soluble soil that we extracted on clean-looking carpet. That's just the water-soluble soil. Now, I'm going to have to do another pass with another pad, but look how dirty it is.